Well, all in all, it took about 10 minutes to get the rubber out. And now I'm going to be very careful, I hope. I'd really rather not snap the glass. And if I do, I guess you guys will be there to see it. Call me all kinds of names, huh? So, I'm honestly just taking it out of the gasket. Again, I'm not trying to pry or anything, because this is old glass. Now I got a convertible. That'd be nice, huh? Hi, Sonny. Smell poopy. I really wish they would have done the whole roll down with the, I guess I was supposed to take that off, I forgot. Oops. Oh, may not have defogger anymore. This is what it is. So this is the old membrane. Ooh-wee. I think you're supposed to take this light off too. We'll get there eventually. I just want to see the damage. Oh. This is the original tailgate. I never replaced the tailgate. I know some people have. Ooh. Nasty. Ugh. Well, let's see. Hopefully it's not too damaged. Doesn't seem like it. But this is what I'm gonna need to get into and sand down. I had some damage up there too. So well worth it. I think overall it's a couple $100. And hopefully the process will go smooth from here. Taking it out is actually not that bad. And hopefully putting it in is as efficient.